All right, so now we're doing the cable fly with emphasis on the upper chest, clavicular fibers, right? The upper chest fibers that attach to the clavicle, your upper chest. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that the cables and the pulleys are all the way down towards the ground. Step 2 is always having a firm, solid base with your foot placement. So whichever you're comfortable with, you want to have that dominant foot forward, other foot back, so that you have a solid ground to perform the movement in a balanced manner. The third thing, you're going to perform the movement bringing the cables up over your chest and squeezing the cables and your upper chest together. Now, one slight variation that I personally find maximizes the contraction of the upper chest fibers is actually, instead of coming all the way down like most people do, where you're bringing the cables all the way down to your hips, to your sides, I actually keep my elbows cocked back right here. That way when I come up, I'm right here at the upper top portion of the movement, squeezing the upper chest, and I come right back down to this cocked position, right back up, squeezing the upper chest. I feel like that maximizes the tension on the upper chest. So that is how you effectively do a cable fly with emphasis on the upper chest fibers.